Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings or any kind of app which will provide you with the keyboard. So as I said, the settings, but it could be notes, browser, messages, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter those settings which are in this upper panel. So let's tap on them and enter languages. So this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, if you want to, you can scroll and find the language. If you want to do it a little bit faster, just tap on this search icon and enter the name of the language you'd like to use and then tap on it. Now, after tapping on the language, we can choose the keyboard type, and the amount of keyboard types depend on the specific language. So sometimes you'll have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So the thing which is new is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layouts. So currently I'm normally just writing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so you can always check which layout you've got applied, which is extremely helpful, especially if the layouts are similar between specific languages. Alright, so now let me show you how to remove the language. Simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and I hope that you remember this section. Right now here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language we want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Or any other language, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.